Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Rep Team package from According to Ali. I do PR for her, and this is going to be her latest release, which is on Friday, February 4th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is tomorrow. And be sure to use code Stephany15 so you guys can save 15% off of your order. And like always, all of this information will be linked down in the description box below. So here is her envelope, and I love that she hand letters all of the names here on the envelope itself. That's such a sweet touch. So let's go ahead and get right into it. If you guys follow her on Instagram, then you guys saw the live that she did a few days ago, and she revealed all of her stickers, and they are just all so beautiful. I know I will be ordering more sheets from her because I am obsessed with like all of her sticker sheets this time around. So here is the packaging, a little thank you card here with some twine, and it is just so simple, so cute, and I love her packaging. And let's see, so she always packages her packages with a freebie, and here it is, so pretty and just so beautiful. So the first sheet that I see here is called Spring Blooms, and this one is like her other release. I believe it's called Floral Blooms, and it's just pretty pinks and reds and just so perfect for Valentine's Day. It is super pretty, but here we have the yellows and the greens and this light pink, super pretty. So then we have Lucky Florals. Look at how beautiful these are. I love that she has these flowers in the neutral color, but then we have greens going on here and the 4-leaf clovers, and this is such a beautiful sticker sheet. I am going to need several of these ones. This one is just so pretty and I love it. So then we have lilies, and look at how beautiful and simple these are. And then we have these ginkgo leaves, if I'm not mistaken, and again the simple lined floral, and it is just so pretty, and these layer so well with all of her other stickers. And then we have this quote sheet. It's called Brave. So don't be afraid of being a beginner. Better an oops than a what if. Never let fear decide your fate. Mistakes are proof you're trying. And here we have prove it to yourself and you are magic. So very beautiful, and she did add a touch of color on these ones, and they do match some of her sheets. So if I see one, I'll let you know. So let me put that off to the side. And then we have spicy. So give me coffee and no one gets hurt. Trust me, you can dance. And then alcohol said that. Sorry, I'm late. I got here as soon as I wanted. These are so funny. If I was a bird, I know who I'd poop on. Of course, I'm an organ donor. Who wouldn't want a piece of this? So again, we have a pop of color, so very beautiful. And then she ended up adding these at the very last minute, and she said that she wanted to add these for herself, but she ended up making a sticker sheet, and this one is film frames, and I just love the concept behind these. Like, she showed this in her life, so you can take this apart and then use it as a border. Maybe you can put some stickers behind it, as if this were a picture frame, or you can just leave it with the backing itself and then use it to write on it. So whatever you would like to do, I just love that she gave us that option. And then we have the black frame over here. So These are gonna be just so pretty, and I can't wait to see how other planner babes use these. They're just gonna be so great. And then we have this label maker quotes, and I love the concept behind these. These look like label quotes, but without it being bumpy, because if you're adding them to your spreads and then you flip to the next week, you don't want that bumpy surface. So I love that it looks like it is bumpy, but it's not. So they're just flat. And then we have "You Are Enough," "Coffee Time," "Let Go," "Self-Care Isn't Selfish," "It's Okay to Not Be Okay," "Keep Going," "Progress Not Perfection," and then "Start Somewhere." So even though like this one goes together, "Progress Not Perfection," I believe they are individual. So however you would like to add them to your spread, you don't have to just add them how they're here. Like, you can add them however you would like, and I love that. I love the black. It is just so classic. So then we have the label maker in months. So these are going to be great for bullet journals and just to add anywhere. I love the black theme. These are going to be so pretty anywhere. And then of course we have the date labels, and then down here we have next week, this week, weekend, next week, and this week. And again, these are separate, so you guys can add them however you would like to your page. So I love these. These are going to be super popular, I can already tell. So then she has these abstract sheets, and they are in the clear sheets. So I love these cool headers. You can layer these, and they're going to look so beautiful. Say you layer it with one of these. I think that's just gonna look so great. The black is gonna pop. These are gonna pop. Just everything is gonna pop and look so pretty. So these are gonna be great for layering or maybe highlighting. I think that's what she mentioned too in her live. So say, let me get one of these. So say you want to use a quote and you want to highlight "wanted." And so look at that. How beautiful would it be? Just highlight it, and that way it stands out and looks just so pretty. So I love that idea as well. So let me just place it right back here. So I love this color scheme. It is so pretty. And so then we have cool abstracts. So again, it goes very well with these two sheets. And then, like I said, the blues match like right here, and then this one matches here. And so then we have warm headers, so same concept, just in the warm tones, and we have warm abstract. So I love these. These are so pretty, and I'm super excited about these. I'm going to be ordering more of these, and I just love how versatile they're going to be, and you can just add them anywhere. And so these colors match with this quote right here, and maybe this coffee as well. So everything just matches so well and goes so perfect together. So again, remember, these are releasing tomorrow, Friday, February 4th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And don't forget to use code Stephany so you guys can save a little bit of money on your purchase. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.